Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to right click on taskbar, then select task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open system32 folder, then find out cmd.exe file. So here it is, just select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So type in ipconfig space slash flush DNS and hit enter. So successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So once we are here, then we need to execute this command. Type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. So we need to restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Before restart, we need to just open our internet connection properties. So we need to go to search bar, type in control panel, hit enter. So once we are here, we need to go to category in VY selection. So type in VINE in the search bar, then click on view network connection. So here it is, we need to right click on it, select properties, then once we are here, we need to select IPv4, and you can check this, use the following DNS server address. Now type in 1.1.1.1, then press tab button, then type 1.0.0.1, then click on OK. Simply click on OK. You can simply select it and click on diagnose this connection. This will try to detect the problem and also try to resolve the problem, and it will fix it. Once done, just restart your system and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.